Let's talk about what to expect over the next 2 days and how we can write a song that you're really proud of and create a high quality demo that we can share with our friends, family, and beyond.
Together, we as mentors join 16 chosen young people over 2 days to share our passion, experience, and love of music making.
We mentor you and your fellow peers to co-write an original song.
On the first day, we spend some time getting to know each other and chatting about songwriting. Then the fun starts and you get to co-write a song.
At the end of day one, we all come together and reflect on our experience as co-writers.
Then we get the ultra special opportunity to hear you perform your songs live.
It doesn't matter if it isn't perfect yet, the first time we share a song is never the final cut.
On day 2, you learn more about APRA AMCOS and the music industry in general, and you get to record a high quality demo of your songs with our producer mentors.
At the end of the day, we'll all come together and hear all of your fabulous creations.
If you're doing a Victorian school workshop, you get a bonus production session a few weeks after you have created your songs.
Over these 2 days, the most important thing is to be open, work together with your fellow co-writers, and have fun.
With SongMakers, you're not just making music, you're learning to navigate the music industry with confidence.
So, as we embark on this musical adventure, let's remember to have fun, stay open, and respect each other's contributions.
We can all be mindful of our rights, create with purpose, and build a foundation for a sustainable career in music.